So we are up here in Clarksville, and my dumbass idea wanted to see Beaver Brook Falls in the winter, and now I'm actually trudging through the deep snow, as you can see, to go get a good shot. This must be the most stupidest thing I've ever done, but it's gonna be well worth it. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I will be having still shots with this, so here we go. Of course, I gotta go down to the other way to get to the other side. So, all right, here's me being stupid. Check it out. Absolutely gorgeous. And we are gonna get closer. Hopefully I won't fall. But this is absolutely so worth it. If I fall, it'll be so worth it. I mean, check it out. We're gonna get even closer. So this is for my YouTubers. Again, this is the beauty of New Hampshire. Okay, so there's ice under there, so I'm gonna have to be super, super careful. But I don't know this. Holy moly. Check it out.